at Henkel, I am responsible for digital media. I am also responsible for the entire content planning and content strategy. We have several campaigns that come in from our global teams, implementation of all those campaigns in the India market, and basically demand generation, right? So demand generation is key. We are basically a startup within the organization is what we call ourselves. We call ourselves corporate startuppers because we have the flexibility of exploring what would work for our industrial consumers. My key focus is to find the SMEs and MSMEs that are rising in India tremendously, right? With the Make in India campaign, and there's so many initiatives that our government has done. So how is it that we identify them and showcase to them that conventional methods of manufacturing need to be reduced and they need to start consuming adhesives as a technology to help them replace their conventional methods like welding, press fitting and all of that, which acquire labor of high skilled labor, high cost, because these are quite operator focused mechanisms, right? So my task is basically to generate demand through digital.